R2 is a SME company located in Milan, specialized in design, analysis, and simulation of machine tool and production equipment. What we start in developing with the help of Scorta is to develop an hybrid data-driven AI and physical-based platform able to provide different kind of solution in order to assess the exploitable life of the machine, identify the critical part, and also assess the total cost of reuse and the best maintenance strategies. The starting point is manufacturing. So we start from a machine tool that is also our expertise, but thinking about the signal and the way in which we are developing the solution. It is full scalable for every type of signal and equipment. It is absolutely a great opportunity also for us that we are ASME in order to develop our competencies and in order to think about a kind of founding that help in a short time to achieve a result.
I am Francesco Greco, the production manager of Scorta company, which is an Italian small-medium enterprise that produces high-precision threaded cutting tools for different manufacturing sectors, such as automotive, machinery, etc. DECAL aims to provide a digital solution to support decision makers in taking the optimal decision for machinery use. In this context, DECAL tool can be very helpful. It can predict the exploitable life and reuse cost of machine tools with a quite high degree of confidence, and then drive production manager towards an optimal decision for saving money and boosting circular manufacturing and sustainability. The Mind for Machine project provided us with a great opportunity to be supported in a very interesting research project within our partner R2.